150 countries represented, including new additions from Brazil, Belgium, the Czech Republic, Israel and Slovakia. More than 1,200 exhibitors, of which over 370 are new, and over 170 aircraft on display. It's fair to say the Dubai Airshow was back with a roar. Industry specialists and leaders from all aspects of aviation, aerospace, space and defence all came together from around the world for the very first time in 18 months on such a large scale. Country pavilions, many themed stages and innovative areas made for a real celebration of the aerospace industry.
You look around and you see all of this new technology that's coming aboard, and it's exciting to me to see what's happening and to just be a part of it.
The show witnessed countless meetings, contract signings and announcements, such as Embraer announcing a firm order for up to 6 E175s for overland airways, Emirates Sky Cargo expanding its cargo capability with a $1 billion investment, including 2 new Boeing 777Fs and the conversion of 2 passenger jets into freighters by Israel Aerospace Industries. And Airbus received an order for 225 A321neos from Indigo Partners Airlines, including Wizz Air. All these major deals and many more made this event the hub for business progression and innovation spanning across the world.
But I think there's nothing like actually doing business face to face and being able to really talk through what's on people's minds, their vision for the future, particularly at a time of great change. And we've got the change in the industry post-COVID, but also changes being driven by the drive to net zero. I think it's very valuable to be face to face.
Dubai was also the platform to showcase the latest aviation developments, including the Boeing 777X and this, the Sukhoi S-75, the checkmate, the first time it's been seen outside of Russia. And not forgetting the world-class flying performance set against the stunning Dubai desert backdrop. So there you have it. It really has been great to be back, reconnecting with the industry and seeing all the latest developments. The Dubai Airshow has truly given businesses, visitors and exhibitors a real boost. From all of us here, we hope to see you soon.